Let's talk about Optimum Nutrition Opti-Men, one of the most popular multivitamins for men out there. You've probably seen it in gyms or supplement shops, but does it actually do anything noticeable? Opti-Men combines 75 plus ingredients, including essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and botanical extracts. It's designed to boost energy, muscle recovery, and overall health, especially for active men or those who often skip balanced meals. After using it for about a month, I noticed more successes energy level, less fatigue after workouts, and even better focus at work. It didn't cause any stomach discomfort, and I genuinely felt sharper and more alert during training days. It's not an energy pill, but it supports overall wellness surprisingly well. The flaw: you need to take 3 tablets a day, which can feel excessive. The tablets are also large and have a strong vitamin smell, and like all supplements, you won't see dramatic results if your diet's already good. But for busy or athletic men, Optimum is a solid, reliable multivitamin that earned its spot in the fitness community. And that's it. That is my review of the Optimum Nutrition Opti-Men Multivitamin.